Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2019 Nissan Navara NP300 SL dual cab, stock reference number 4679. This shape runs from the 5th month 2015 through to the current shape. It has a YS23 DDTT 2.3 litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel-drive transmission. YS23 DDTT 2.3 litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front. We have an aftermarket Runva power winch with all fittings. Also has the hand remote. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch steel rims. Left front has a ball tyre, left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear, 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. It's got an aftermarket Ironman 4x4 steel tow bar, bumper bar, with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got black cloth centre console lid. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster. Vehicle's done 28,000 kilometres, and also a 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.